Hi friends! So this week for our cooking activity, we are going to make some banana pudding for the letter B. Banana and B. And so I'm going to start with some Jello pudding mix, and it says to put it in the bowl. So, boop. Is that right? No, you're right. I need to open it first. All right, let me open the box. Okay. Opening the box. Oh, and there's another package inside the box. So what should I do now? Do you know? Can I just put it in? No, goodness, no. Oh, there's a little tear right here. So it looks like I need to tear it across, and then I can pour it in. So the first thing I needed to do was open the box, open the package, and pour it in. If you guys do this at home, make sure to help your parents. Okay. All right, so I needed the pudding mix, and then I need 2 cups of milk. So see right there, that is the number 2 right there. 2 cups of milk, and I already poured the milk in to my measuring cup, and now I'm going to pour in the milk. Oh, it's turning a color that we've learned about. It's turning yellow. All right, so now I need to stir this up, mix it up. If you guys were helping me make it, we would take turns and go stir, stir, stir it up, stir it all around. Stir and stir and stir and stir, stir it all around. So I'm getting all of the lumps out of it. Stirring it up. And then, if you were helping in the classroom, we would put the top on because we really want to mix it up. So I'm putting the top on, and then we shake it up. So we do shake it, baby. Shake it all around. Shake it like a milkshake. Do it anyhow. Oh, rumble to the bottom. Rumble to the top. Turn around and turn around. Then we stop. And then we let somebody else have a turn because you got to shake it for a while. And then we want this to be extra special banana pudding. So look what I have. A banana. So we need to open the banana. We're going to peel it because that's what you do with a banana. And this is a very ripe, or not a very ripe banana. That's my favorite kind, when they're not too ripe. All right, and then we're going to slice and put the banana in our pudding. So I'm going to get a knife. We slice our banana in, slicing it in, putting it in our pudding. Let's see, I'm going to put my pudding up here so it doesn't have to plop down as far. There, and so you can still see. Putting it in, slicing it, and this is a very dull knife. So if you are helping your parents, you could actually use this kind of knife to slice the banana. And then I'm going to put the lid back on and shake it just a little bit more. Then it goes in the refrigerator for just a little bit, about 15 minutes. Then you can eat it. Yum! All right, enjoy your banana pudding. See you soon, friends. Bye-bye. Another B word, by the way.